Fucking Rice is going faster now. Okay, hurry hard a little, hurry hard. Whoa. Hurry hard, hurry, hurry, ha boy! Yeah, oh yeah. Hurry, hurry. Okay, we're good. Okay, give me some goose, give me some goose if we want to make it over these things. Whoa. This is the drop part. Okay, give me some fast. Whoa, we're gonna get pushed against that wall. No, we're not. Okay, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry to the right. Yep. Yep, yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get into the left wall here. Little bit. We're doing all right. We'll let them pass us. Gotta get into the fun stuff, right?